nhproequip.com. How to properly load a motorcycle on your Pro Lift. First, let's prep the lift. Ensure the front wheel vise is set to the proper width to accept the front wheel. Next, lower the lift completely and secure the ramp to the lift. Now, let's prep the bike for the lift. Attach soft straps to the handlebars of the bike. Prep your ratchet straps to the right length and have them within reach of the front vise. With the bike ready and lift ready, slowly load the bike onto the ramp. The extra long Pro 2500 ramps make loading a bike by yourself simple. While holding the handlebars of the bike, secure the front wheel vise tightly. Next, attach one of your straps to the lift and then to the soft straps on the bike. Tighten the strap until there is tension. Then repeat on the other side, making sure the straps are even and the bike remains level. Tighten the straps enough to slightly compress the front forks of the bike. Your bike is now safely secured to your lift. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for raising and lowering your lift. For more info on the Pro 2500 high-rise lift, check out nhproequip.com.